Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is the Ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion. The Ordinary Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion is a highly effective anti-aging treatment that helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin texture. It contains a potent blend of retinoids that stimulate cell turnover and encourage collagen production, resulting in smoother, brighter, and more youthful-looking skin. This lightweight emulsion is suitable for all skin types. It is not very strong. It's a good product for beginners and people with sensitive skin. Apply a few drops to face in the PM as part of your skincare regimen. Do not use with other retinoid treatments. Use sun protection in the AM. Its main ingredient is solubilized hydroxyquinacalone retinoid. It is an advanced retinoid that delivers better anti-aging results with less irritation than other non-prescription retinoids. Retinol. Do not use this serum with other products containing retinoids, such as retinol and retinoic acid. Retinoids can make your skin more sensitive to UV radiation. We recommend wearing sunscreen during the daytime. The product works really well. Easy to apply, doesn't take much time at all, and I like the consistency of the product itself. The biggest downside is the smell. It smells like the home of a hippie. Precautions must be followed while using this product. Retinoids can make the skin more sensitive to UV radiation. When using this product, avoid unprotected solar exposure. Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion must not be used in conjunction with other retinoids including retinol and retinoic acid. When pregnant or breastfeeding, it is recommended to avoid any skincare products containing retinoids. Store this in a cool, dry place. Thanks for watching.